I'm not here to say I'm canceling the show. We're not going to cancel RVs Gone Wild, but you're likely going to see...
Coming at you fast like a freight train ride. Another crazy, stupid RV design. Smoking sparks, no fear, no mild. Buckle up, it's RVs Gone Wild.
Well, hello everybody. This is a different RVs Gone Wild video because I'm here to make sort of an announcement. We're 63, just about 64 episodes in, and it takes a lot of work, guys. It's about 30 hours of labor per video. Emails, collecting it all, putting it all together, narration. Now we've added location shooting to try to step it up, and it adds up. It adds up to around 30 hours, and you know, we do make money off it. I'm not going to lie. You know, it's really helped out. In fact, with my wife not working, you know, it really helps that we can bring in some extra income. But I'll be honest, guys, it's $10 an hour. That's how much we make doing RVs Gone Wild. When you average out all the income we get from YouTube, and then you put in all those hours we put in, it's around $10 an hour. And hey, a job's a job. It's good to have some extra money. I mean, it takes away from the original reason that I got on YouTube, right? Which was to do RVing with Joe, about RVing and our RV travels and our RV experience. And then this thing just took a life of its own. I actually have canceled RV trips and not gone camping just because I had to get RVs Gone Wild done. And at that point, I'm thinking, well, what's the point of all this? The whole idea was to go RVing and to go put it on YouTube. And now I'm skipping RV trips so that I can work on this. That's backwards. So I absolutely love doing RVs Gone Wild. I love all the great emails I get from you folks. I love getting stopped when we're traveling by all the people who have watched RVs Gone Wild. It's inspiring. It's just a stupid little YouTube show that we have. But man, I've got families that actually watch it. I got fans that send us, you know, messages, how much they like it. Boy, a whole lot of you sent in some great photos. It takes a lot, and it does a lot, but I just can't keep doing it consistently. I'm not here to say I'm canceling the show. We're not going to cancel RVs Gone Wild. I could never do that. But you're likely going to see less regular episodes for a little while. We're still going to do episodes. We're still going to do crazy compilations. We're still going to do some crash compilations and some turducken compilations. And I still want you to send me your stuff, you know, send to rvgw@gmail.com. But we may not be able to post everything we get if we're not posting as often. So we just ask for everyone's patience and understanding as we do a few less of these videos for a little while. You know how it is. You got to put up some walls and boundaries in life. And that's what we're doing. So I want to thank my wife for doing so much work on the back end, and she's going to continue to keep track of all these emails and start putting together timelines. We will be putting out RVs Gone Wild 64, but it's not going to come out today. It's not going to come out tomorrow. It'll come out probably sometime this week. And if I take that deadline off and just do them at a slower pace, I think my life's going to be a lot better, and you also might see better episodes. So thanks again to everybody. I'm not going anywhere. You know, you're going to see more RVs Gone Wild. You're going to see RVing with Joe. If you haven't checked out my other channel, most of you probably came over from there, but go check out RVing with Joe. You're going to see a lot more videos coming from me there because that's where I really want to put my time and energy. So keep sending them in. You're going to keep seeing RVs Gone Wild. And to be honest, there's 63 episodes online now, so you can always go watch some reruns. Thanks, everybody, for your time. Thanks for all your submissions. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification button. I usually don't suggest that, but if we're going to be doing these every now and then and you want to see them, the notification button is the best way. And whether you subscribe, notify, or you just like watching this, make sure you keep it wild. Thanks, everyone.
Rolling out in my Ember, chasing sunsets down the line. Every mile's an adventure, every stop a brand new sign. Built to keep the fire steady through the load. My Ember takes me farther on the wide open road. With Ember on the open road, that's where I feel free. Coming at you fast like a freight train ride. Another crazy, stupid RV design.